Wagwan, my lovely chiquitas, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be making some curry goat slash mutton and some white basmati rice. Cause you don't know, say curry goat goes good with white rice. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up my meat, cause you have to do that before you use it, right? So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna just add some vinegar now. I'm gonna add some lime with it too, but I'm gonna have no lime. So yeah, I know you can't just wash it with water. You need some vinegar and some lime or some lemon. You see me? Yep, this look well made. So let me just wash my hand and get to seasoning. Okay, now for the fun part. This is our meat and we're coming in with some seasonings. We're starting off with some Mrs. Dash table blend. This not have no salt, some garlic powder, and then some allspice, pimento, just a little tops. Yeah, cause we're gonna put the whole one in there. And some little ginger powder, little bit, cause we're gonna put a little piece of the fresh one in there. And some garam masala. You just want a little bit too, about half a teaspoon. And this is some asafoetida. It has an onion flavor, but we're going to give it a little half a teaspoon. And then we're gonna give like a tablespoon of Maggi, because that's our only salt. Some little butter pack, which is just like a half teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of the Indian powder, and half a teaspoon of the chief curry powder. You see me? You don't have to mix your curry powder, but and some garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, and pimento. And then we're coming in with regular seasoning, the scallion, the onion, the thyme, and a little bit of sweet pepper. Yes, and you don't want too much sweet pepper for overpower it. I'm just gently massage that in, just rub it in. And this is what it's looking like. We're going to cover with foil and let it rest. Usually I'd let it stay overnight, but this is the morning and I look both this evening, you see. So yeah, this is how it look like, well marinated. And now I'm just separate them, you see me. And I'm about to put it on the fire. So yeah, I'm just add another teaspoon of the curry powder, a garlic peg, and piece of fresh turmeric. And this is about 3 tablespoons of oil, a little more than usual if you're making chicken, because it's mutton, the meat dry, like it clean I should say, so you need a little extra moisture. So now I'm just put some water on it, cover it up, and let it sit for about 2.5 hours. Because I'm not using a pressure cooker. This is what it's looking like after 2.5 hours. I'm just gonna add my little seasoning and let it sit for another 20 minutes or so. And I'm going to add some more Maggi because it needs a little bit more salt, and that's the only salt we have in this. So yeah, give more salt, more flavor, and just stir and let it simmer, as I said. And this is what it's looking like. Oh, it's pretty. Anyway, this is the rice, the basmati rice, and look at this. It's so shelly belly. Now the food is ready. And there you have it, guys, this lovely plate of curry goat and rice. I tell you, it tastes nice. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye bye.